Guys, I'm excited to bring something special to you. I'm excited to bring something that I believe you will greatly benefit from it. So I've created a free forex trading course, and this course is for beginners, even advanced traders that wants to sharpen their skills. This is a good course from them. So I've divided this course into 4 modules. So the first modules, this is what you will cover in this course. Okay, what is forex? This one's particularly for beginners. What is forex? Just to know what is forex, and then what is forex trading. So we are distinguishing between forex and forex trading for someone to know the difference. And then what is traded in the forex market? How do we make money when we are trading? Because someone might be asking that question. And then when to trade, you need to know when to trade the forex market, then what you need to get started, and then finally how to place your first trade. So of course this is module number 1. And then module number 2, we are covering the types of trading. So we're fundamental, we have technical analysis, and then we'll dive deeper mostly into technical analysis, because in this course this is what we'll be doing. And then I will teach you on how to identify the market structure. And then module number 3, it's where I cover the candlestick, so that you know the candlestick, the types of candlesticks, even the anatomy of a candlestick, even the psychology behind the candlesticks. Okay, then we'll cover the chart patterns such as the double top, the double bottom, the channel, the flag, because these chart patterns, we will use them, we'll try to incorporate them when we are now trading the strategy that I want to teach you in this place. Then of course module number 4 is where we cover the psychology of the market, you know, the expectation as you get into this business, and then the risk management, so that you'll be profitable in the long run. And then of course module number 5, this is where we put down the trading strategy. This is where I teach you the trading strategy, and then putting everything together. So don't just jump to module number 5, but start with module number 1 going to module number 5, so that you understand everything. So guys, this is Intra Forex. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel just to show your appreciation. Like this video, share it with your friends.